So far, ladies and gentlemen, we have explored the Move tool, the Quick Selection tool, the Magic Wand tool, and our rectangular and elliptical marquee tools, as well as some options found in the options bar. Let's zoom in on this mollusk right here, and then let's explore how our lasso tools work. I'm going to demonstrate the lasso tool for you, and then we will use a different tool to extract and select this element. So do not follow along at this point, let's just observe. I'm going to click and select the lasso tool, and I'm going to click and drag my mouse and free-handedly start to draw around this element right here to select it. So I click and I drag my mouse, trying to be as close to the edge as possible. And if I wasn't doing this for demonstration and I were really trying to only get this element, I would be moving a lot slower. And there we go, meet up with the beginning of the line, and you've created a free hand-drawn selection. However, this is probably not the best tool to use right here for this selection. So I'm going to press Control D, and now I would like you to follow along. We're going to go ahead and use the Polygonal Lasso tool to make this selection. To use this tool, simply click on your mouse, and you see that I'm working with a straight line. This tool creates straight lines that will, in the end, make a selection. So I'm going to follow the edge, clicking where I feel necessary, being very conscious of my straight lines. Click, drag out, click, not holding when I drag, just clicking to place a point along my line. I'm going to meet up with the beginning again. And there we go. Now I've made a selection using the Polygonal Lasso tool, which creates straight edge lines for a selection. Let's go to the Zoom tool and then click Fit to Screen in our options bar, and then select the Move tool, as we need to move and rotate this element into place over letter D. I'm going to click and drag this element up here to the top, but now I need to rotate this element. To rotate the element, you will do the following. Go up to the menu Edit, and then go down to Transform and Rotate. You'll see that a bounding box has appeared around the element, and if you hover around one of the corners, you get a curved double-headed arrow. Click and drag your mouse, holding your mouse down, to rotate that element. Let go of your mouse when you feel that it is in the correct position, and then with this black arrow, because I'm hovering right over the bounding box, I can click and drag and move that element into place. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here, but before I transition to the next video, let's press Return on our keyboard to get that bounding box to go away, and then press Control D to deselect. In the next video, we're going to understand how to use the magnetic lasso to remove this shell.